Lately I've been selling a lot of these garage door remote controls. They're right here. Is what the box looks like. These are the warranty papers. So we got that one in silver, which goes right there. And then we got the same thing over here, but in black. So there's the black ones. And when these are going, they light up blue. I took it out of the box here. It's got this little tape on the back. There's 2 pieces of Velcro. You just peel this white part off, and then you just stick it wherever you want to put it. And then when you pull up to your house, when it's up on your dad, you just punch the numbers and they beep. You hear that beep? And it lights up blue at night. You just can't see it. So they're really nice. These hook up to any gate opener or any garage door opener. And what you do is you take the little radio receiver right here and you open this up right there. You see those little 2 screws? You put the wire in the little hole right there on the top and you put this back on. See, it even has a little cutout for the wire. Like that. Here is where this little cord here plugs in, and once that plugs in, you'll hear a beep. This other side here, that little hole right there, you just stick a little tip of a pen or something in there and push that. That's a smart button. That will allow you, it'll get into program mode, and then the rest of the stuff you do, you just punch in the numbers, and then you end up by hitting enter, and then it locks it in. What's good about these is when customers know that this is available, when you go out to the customer's house and you tell them they have these safety ones that you can put on so people can't break into their house. You could charge for this one box with one remote, you could charge $249 every day of the week. And then if you give them another remote control, which we're throwing in now, you're gonna get just the extra remote so they can have one for each car. You could get another $79 at least. I'm giving you like bare minimum. You guys can charge more if you want, but for the $249 and $79, you're gonna be over $300 for one box. So we're selling 30 boxes to a case. So if you got $300 a box, you're gonna make about $10,000 for each case. These are gonna sell for like around $30, maybe a little less, but you're gonna spend, you know, $800 to $900 a box, and you're gonna get back $10,000 a box when you sell them. So there's a big markup on these. And also what you could do too with these is you could, when you're bidding on jobs, if you're going out and doing doors, you can tell people you'll throw in these safer garage door remotes, and then when the other guy comes in, they ask if they can throw it in and they can't get them because you're gonna be the authorized dealer in the area. They're gonna go with you 100% of the time. If they can't give them something that you're giving them for free, they're gonna go with you. They're gonna forget about the other guy. It's gonna look like he's giving them nothing, and you're giving stuff to him, and it's only cost you like 25 or 30 bucks to sell a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 job. You'll throw in a $25 part. So that's another thing you can use them for. Plus, you could sell them online as well. Any of you want to just sell them online, market them, and people will just buy them online. You see all these new commercials now coming on with electric bikes and everything's electric they're selling. That's all coming from China, and they're doing it from China, and they're making a killing, all these guys. So you can definitely sell these. I've seen junk selling online and they sell out of them. So these, everybody needs a garage door remote control in their car. Some people will buy them because their remote doesn't even work that's in their car, so they'll just buy one to get a new remote. They'll buy them for Christmas presents. They'll buy them for all kinds of things. You guys can do your own little video, upload them on YouTube or upload them on, you know, Instagram or on TikTok. You can sell these, put a timer on it, tell people they're running out, and people will start buying them. So anyway, we're gonna be giving these around 900 bucks a case. You get 30 of them. The return on the investment, the ROI, would be about $10,000. So you're gonna make 10 times the amount that you invest on one of these. So if you wanna get involved with these, we can also make you a protected dealer. Just reach out to me at 415-637-7514, or you could go to the website on the screen and order them directly right there. If you need to ask any questions, you go ahead and give me a call. If not, just order them right off the website. And once they're gone, they're gone. And we got to put in another order. It might take a while. So all you guys that are buying them, I heard you guys are happy with them and you're putting them in, which is a good thing. So I like hearing that. Anyway, if you want to order one, that's fine too, but you're going to pay the $99 plus shipping, whatever. Anyway, talk at you. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.